real estate investors, I'm going to show you the 4 most important numbers to consider when looking at a fix and flip deal. I'm Conrad Van, the mortgage man. Let's hop straight in. All right, so the first number you want to consider is going to be called the ARV. So the ARV is the after repair value. This is effectively the price you can sell the home for after it's fixed up. So your ARV is going to be based off of comps. Comp stands for comparable sales. These are properties in a nearby radius that have recently sold. Same bedroom, same bathroom count, similar square footage, similar amenities, and year built. So a comp effectively is a property that is very similar or like to the property that you're doing. So first number is ARV. Your second number is going to be your purchase price. The purchase price is how much you acquire the property for. So just as we want a good exit, the ARV, we also need a good entry, the purchase price, because if we buy it too high, we minimize our profits. If we buy it low enough, there's enough profit to be made. So your purchase price is the next number. We typically want to see it about 75% of the ARV. And typically if we can get it lower, that works even better. The third number of importance is going to be your rehab costs. So your rehab cost is just how much it's going to cost to fix the property up, right? So the best way to estimate this number is when you have a property, you'll have your general contractor walk it, and they'll be able to tell you, hey, yeah, it's going to take about $50,000, $40,000, $20,000 or so. So having your general contractor walk the property, you could do this via Zoom or Skype or FaceTime. I have them look at the property. They'll give you a good estimation of the rehab cost if you can't figure it out yourself. And the last number of importance is going to be your holding costs. So your holding cost, this is how much it costs to keep the property. So initially you're going to have your down payment and your closing costs for the loan. Monthly, as you have that property, you're also going to have property taxes, homeowners insurance, the water, electricity, maybe even Wi-Fi. All the costs associated with holding the property, you want to calculate that and know what those are. So in recapitulation, the 4 main numbers for a fix and flip deal. First is going to be ARV. This is based off of comps. These are properties that have recently sold. This just tells you what it's going to be worth after you're done with the project. Second number is going to be purchase price. Again, your exit is important, but your entry is important as well. If you get it too high, you may minimize or diminish any profits. The third number is going to be your rehab cost. Your rehab cost is going to let you know how much it costs to fix the property up to get it to the ARV. And the last one is the holding costs. You want to keep in mind what are the costs you will incur as you're doing the project. If you'd like me to finance a fix and flip deal for you, or if you have more questions about fix and flip, give me a call. My name is my brand, Conrad Van, the mortgage man.